Are PanelPlace surveys really a great opportunity or not? That's exactly what you'll find out in this video. My name is Michael and I have joined this panel here quite a few years ago, and a lot of changes has happened since I first did a video about it a few years ago. And many of you are a little bit confused about this and have asked me about how does it really work, is it worth and all that. And therefore I decided to record this PanelPlace review to show you exactly how it works now and what you really get, so you can find out if this is the right opportunity for you or not. So let's just start by making it clear that PanelPlace is theoretically a platform you can join from all countries, but it has changed a lot since I first tested it and first made a video about it, because it used to just focus on paid surveys, but now on the website you can see it's all about discovering new opportunities from digital products and services that delight you. So it's basically a platform where you can find all kind of websites and apps in all these different categories. So it's like a lot of different information you can find here. You can come here and find recommendations, you can write reviews, and it seems like it's trying to be a little bit like Capterra. If you know that, I do have a video about how you can earn on that by writing reviews. I'll leave a link to that in the top corner there, but just not quite as streamlined in my personal opinion anyways. But I'm not going to focus on all these different product categories and all that. This is just an overview of what it offers, because in this video I will focus on the PanelPlace survey section, because they do have that, because that is what many people have asked me about, because it used to just be about that and then it expanded to these other things there. So I just want to make it clear, what kind of surveys does it actually offer? Is it really a great way to find ways to earn by doing paid service and other microtasks? Let's talk about that next then. So when you come to the survey section of the paid surveys on PanelPlace, you can see that it earned cash from survey companies listed on PanelPlace. So what is important here is that they say that you can discover surveys or survey companies on PanelPlace. So I do like that they're very clear about this, compared to some other platforms that are what I will call survey aggregators, basically just a list of survey sites you can join. They get paid by linking to these survey sites, but they're very transparent about it. There are some survey aggregators that make it look like you can join to get access to paid surveys, and then you find out you can't. They're just promoting stuff to you. But PanelPlace, they're quite transparent about that. They say here, you see, like, you use the platform, you join survey panels they recommend, and then the survey panels will actually pay you. So it is not PanelPlace that will pay you. But if you're new to paid service, this might be a little bit confusing, but that is what you need to be aware of. It is not PanelPlace that actually pays you. They're just recommending survey sites. But let's look at those recommendations, where you can even find them, and if they are really worth following. So as you can see, there are a lot of different information inside PanelPlace. So if you're looking for the survey information in microtasks, you need to go to this product categories here. And here, then you can see also here, it's a little bit overwhelming. There's a lot of different information, but it is this category called career and income. And here you can see there's the gig economy, so there are also gig economy options. I also have more information about the best gig economy platforms. I do have a list of that on my website. I will leave a link to that below. So if that's something you're interested in, doing small tasks, often in your local area online, that can be a great way. But here they have this market research paid service. So this is where you would need to go to find these paid survey options. And then you can see, then you get a list of different survey panels they recommend in your country. It takes a little bit of time to load here. It's a little bit slow today, so I will just wait. Now it's already here actually. And then you can see there are these different recommendations. But it's all fine and all, you know, but you can't earn on PanelPlace. I just want to make that clear, because some people are confused about that. But you can see what it recommends. You can write reviews also, but as you can see, nobody writing reviews, so you won't really find a lot of information. The disadvantage of this is that in general, you see there's one sentence of each of them, so it doesn't really help you with in-depth information about whether this is a panel you should use or not and find the best platforms for you. But what I would say is that I have tested a lot of panels, and I can see just by having a quick look here that all the panels it offers here or recommends are legit panels. It is panels that actually do pay. It's not necessarily the best ones, especially not for me. I've tested hundreds of paid service sites, and I know these are not really the best in my country, so it's not that they really put a lot of effort into giving me great opportunities. So that's one thing you need to be aware of. It's a fairly short list, it's a fairly superficial list. There's not a lot of information to help you find the right opportunities for you, but it is legit recommendations. Platforms that I've seen here since when I first started testing it, have always been legit. I've never seen them promote a scammy survey website or a questionable survey site, so that's a really good thing. But whether it's for you or not, all really depends on what you are expecting. So to sum it all up, just to make it clear, PanelPlace is actually not a survey panel, and many of you have been confused about this. This is a platform that has a lot of different products categories where it gives recommendation and helps you to basically discover different platforms. Personally, I don't think it is very thorough. I don't think that the information here is very in-depth. It's not really a great way to discover a lot of things, in my personal opinion. You know, if you have a different opinion, different experience, please share below. That would be great to hear from you as well. I welcome other opinions than my experiences as well, so feel free to share that. But when it comes, for example, to paid surveys, yes, it's only legit surveys it offers. So if you're looking for recommendations, it can be a method, but there are not a lot of recommendations. There's no in-depth information so that can help you to decide which platforms are the right for you or not, and that's what you need to be aware of. But then at least you know now what to actually expect, and then you can decide whether you think it's worth joining or not. But if you're looking for more information, for example, about the best gig economy jobs or best service sites and full tutorials and all that, I also do have some information on my website. I'll leave links to that below. I have a list of the best service sites in a lot of different countries. You can choose the best for your countries. You can see full tutorials. The same also, I have a list of the best gig economy jobs you can check out. So if you want more information about that, you're welcome to check that out. You can also find a full written PanelPlace review if you want to know more information about that. I'll leave all those links below so you can check it out. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.